Oh, slow down. You're making my milk curdle.
Are you kidding? We're moving at a snail's pace.
A snail's pace is just fine with me.
Oh, ermintrude. That's the nicest thing you've ever said.
Relax, Doogie. Soon this whole crazy trip will be behind us.
Behind us!
That's what I said, man.
Now look behind us!
You can't leave.
Heads up!
Oh, dude. Talk about a near-death experience. I thought I saw the light at the end of the tunnel.
That is the light at the end of the tunnel. We're gonna be all right. And Zeebad's still trapped in the temple.
Then, like, who's that? His evil clone?
Wait,
Mini Z?
Where's my third diamond?
Very assertive, sir.
Oh, no! Pull a lever, press a button or something!
Okay, this one looks like it's for the radio, this is for the AC, and this one looks green. Or it could be an ejector seat.
What was that? I think we've been hit!
Where am I? I've been blinded! I'll never make it to the carousel now!
Huh? So that's where they're headed. The carousel! And that is where I'll find my third and final diamond! Ha 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 ha! Sam, we have a prisoner up there we need to dispose of.
Dispose of the prisoner? We can't do that, sir. Geneva Convention, sir.
I don't care if it's a Star Trek convention! Trekkies, nerd alert! Beam him out!
Sorry about that.
Ermintrude, you saved me.
We're gonna lose this race to Thomas the Tank Engine? I don't think so. More coal!
Shoveling as fast as I can, sir.
Whoa! Trouble dead ahead!
Fine. Now it's time to stick it to the man. Or the dog, the snail, the cow, etc. You guys know what I mean.
Sir, the pressure! It's too much!
Sam, I know! Not to get all Dr. Phil on you, but you need balance in your life or you just explode!
Funny you should say that, sir.
Ooh! That little blue van just blew up!
That's the good news, because the bad news is... Oh my shoulders!
I can fly!
No, I can't.
Owie, my rocks hurts. Okay, everyone, let's go to breakdown train.